Hello there, how are you? Welcome back to Grandma Ray Don't Play, and I'm Rachel. So let's make some tortilla wraps. Let me show it to you. Tortillas wraps. Okay, so this is our wrap bread that we're going to be using, and we're going to fry this, and then we're going to make it like a taco. Okay, so follow me along and see what ingredients I'm going to use, okay, just for you. Okay, give it a thumbs up, share the video, check out my GoFundMe and Patreon links below if you'd like to support this channel in any way, and subscribe. Share the video. Okay, let's do it. Okay, let's get started. So I have here around a pound of ground beef. Okay, we're going to put that in the pan. That might be a pound and a quarter. Looks like it. Okay, so now we're going to add our seasoning. Black pepper. I'm going to add some adobo. Some granulated garlic. Okay. I have some sofrito. I'm going to be adding that. Sofrito is garlic, peppers, and onions. You can buy this in the Goya section. That's going to bring some moistness to it. Okay, that's 6 tablespoons full. And I have a little olive oil in the bottom of the frying pan. Okay, this is onion paste. I'm going to add about, let's go with 3 heaping tablespoons of onion paste. Okay. I'm going to mix that in good. Okay, and I'm going to add some taco sauce. I'm going to add half of this bottle into the ground beef. And this is a 8-ounce bottle, so we added about 4 ounces. Okay, we're going to let that cook until the hamburger gets brown, and I'll bring you back at that point. I'm guessing in about maybe 4 minutes. Okay, I'll be back. Okay guys, so our ground beef has been cooking for 5 minutes, and most of the fluid is out of it. I'm just trying to make sure that the balance of the oil and the fluids is all out of the ground beef. It looks marvelous. Okay, that looks pretty dried out. I'm going to cut the fire off. Let me show you. As you can see, okay, I'm going to drain whatever little bit of oil that's there out. And then I'll come right back with you and we're going to continue. Okay guys, our ground beef is out and drained. So now I have the frying pan cleaned out. We're going to put some olive oil in there, just a little. I'll show you how much. Very little. You can see that, just drizzled. Okay, and you just want to move it around so that all of the frying pan get the oil. Okay. Now, this is our tortillas shell. We're going to cook it on both sides. So I'm going to put this side in, and once you see some bubbles on the top, then you're going to flip it over. Okay? I'll show you that. So I'm going to put that in, and we'll wait until we see some bubbles. Meanwhile, while we're waiting on the bubbles, I'm going to put 1, 2, you see that? 2 drops, right? I'm just going to brush this side a little with the olive oil. If you need more, you can get it from the bottom of the frying pan. Okay, now that'll start to bubble up. Why don't I give you the word of the day while I'm waiting on that? The word of the day. It was about 80 degrees today. 80 degrees today in Massachusetts. I was so happy, so happy. It lifted my spirits. So the word of the day is, the weather's getting good, guys. The weather's getting good, and we need to get out, right? Okay, that's a word of the day if I ever heard one. Okay, let's go back. Okay, you want to always take a peek underneath. If you see it's brown underneath there, it's time to turn it. You see the little bubbles there? Right here, right here, right here. And when I lift it up, you can see it's brown underneath there. It's time to turn it. And that's all it is to it. Now this side will take a shorter time to cook than the first side. You just keep peeking under every now and then to see if it's brown. Once it starts to brown, you can take it out. And that's all it is to it. We're almost there. Okay, now you're going to do the next one. Put a little oil. Brush it around with the brush. Put the shell in. Take and get some oil from off the sides and put it on the top so that both sides have oil on it. Okay. Okay, so you get the idea. I'll be right back. Okay, so now we're going to make tortillas wrap. Okay, so here's our toasted shell. Okay, We're going to put it down. Make sure you can see. Okay, so we're going to put some ground beef on right in the middle. About that much. Let me show you that. Okay. Alright, now you want to put your cheese. This is Mexican blend cheese. You're going to put that right over the top because you want the hot ground beef to melt the cheese, okay? And now we're going to put some lettuce and tomatoes on there. Actually, I want my taco sauce on there next because I like that to go right into the cheese and meat. So you're going to pour that on there. Like so. Okay, now we're going to put some tomatoes. I have some tomatoes cut up. I'm going to put some of those on there. And some lettuce. Okay. So that's what we look like. Okay, so now you're going to fold both sides in. Okay, both sides in like this. Bring the bottom up, rolling it tight, not loose. Holding this top sides in with your fingers. Okay, now you're going to come all the way up. Like that. Okay? And I'm going to do another one. So we're going to put the ground beef. The cheese. The taco sauce. Tomatoes. And some lettuce. Now you're gonna bring the two sides up. Bring the bottom up to the middle. Holding the sides in. Pushing it backwards towards you tightly. Push down. There we go. So we have 2 tortilla wraps. Okay, let me wash my hands. Okay guys, look at that. Oh wow, look at that. Huh? So now you know how to make a wrap. Okay? Let me take a bite. Okay, here we go. Mmm. Wow. Delicious. Let me finish showing. Okay, so you know a taco, you can add anything you want to add to it. You can add beans, sour cream. If you don't want to use the taco sauce, you can use mayonnaise or whatever you want to use on it. It's your call. I just wanted to show you how to cook the dough and make it, okay? Alright, talk to you soon. Love you. Share the video. Give it a thumbs up, please. Check out the links below. Talk to you.